Hi, everyone. My name is Samuel. Here from Restoration Church. We're inviting you to come worship with us on a Sunday. Don't be selfish. Come with a friend, family member. Let's worship the King of Kings and let's have an awesome time in the presence of God. I'll see you there.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jen. I would like to welcome you to Restoration Church, where we believe in loving God and loving people. Please come as you are. We're waiting for you.
Whether you're curious about God or you're just coming back to church, you've been away for a while, or you're just looking for a great community, we welcome you here to Restoration Church. We'd love to have you join us. Come check it out. We're a family and we're very inviting and very warm and friendly.
Hello, friends. My name is Michael, pastor here at Restoration Church. We are passionate here at Restoration Church about Christ, about helping people understand grace. Because when you understand grace, your life is empowered to be changed and transformed totally. So please, one of these Sundays, come and check it out. God bless you.